Welcome to today's tutorial on how to display seconds in the taskbar. Many of us rely on the taskbar to keep track of time and stay organized while working on our computers. However, by default, the taskbar usually only shows the hours and minutes. But don't worry, because in this tutorial, we'll show you how to enable this feature, making timekeeping even more precise and efficient. First, right-click on the taskbar. Scroll down to Taskbar Behaviors. And simply activate Show Second option. If you don't have this option, stick with the video to show it. Open Run by pressing Windows R. Type regedit. And go to the same directory. Look for Show Seconds in System Clock. And change the value to 1. If you don't have this option, then create it with this exact same name. And make sure to make it a 32-bit. Change the value to 1. And restart your computer. Now go and activate this option by going to Taskbar Settings, Taskbar Behaviors, and activate. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to show seconds in the taskbar. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you can now have a more accurate and precise time display right at your fingertips. Whether you're managing your work schedule, timing events, or simply keeping track of the passing seconds, this feature will undoubtedly enhance your productivity and time management skills. Remember, taking control of your time is crucial, and now you have the tools to do it effortlessly. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more helpful tips and tricks with you in the future. Happy computing!